Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. So, we've got, goddamn, I hate these things. This here is a postal note, basically. I've been waiting on some bits and bobs to arrive for the Z for quite a while. Namely, some more carbon fibre bits. In fact, I said in the last video, or the one before last, when I was doing the Morimoto review. Hello, mate. What are you doing there? When I was doing the Morimoto review, I've been waiting on some bits and I haven't been able to do it. Well, one of them's arrived, but there's a customs charge. And it's like, you know, type all of this in, you know, you can pay your charge. It's not much, like it's a tiny amount. But it's like, you know, type all this in, you can pay your charge. And it doesn't work. It doesn't work. So now, I have got to go over there and pay it, which is fine. But I'm just hoping it's actually there. It's one of those things that, like, you type it in, you don't know if it's actually there. I don't know if they're even going to actually have it there to pick up and pay for. And because of the whole pandemic, can I actually go in? Can I actually pay for it? I mean, you know, I feel as bad as Jasper right now. Hello, mate. How you doing, bro? You all right? So that's what I'm doing today. This is more of a vlog than it is like a car actual thing. But I'm going to go get car bits, so calm down. All right, we're going to get there. There will be car stuff. And, I mean, who can say no to Jasper? Oh, all right then. I'm pretty sure everyone can say no to Jasper doing that. So let's go get some car bits and give you a cold start. Oh, I don't think the sequential indicators will turn signals, whatever you guys want to call them. I don't think that'll ever get old. I love that. I think it looks absolutely epic. We'll lock it so you can just see it again. It does like a double dance. Oh no, it's when you open it, it does a double dance. Anyway, it's a cold start. So what's arriving today, we're just driving there because I can't bother to walk. What should be arriving today is actually an engine cover. Now, if it's linked down below, it's because I think it's good. But if not, it's not. Now, a bit of a hassle with this one because I ordered it and I was like, well, I'll buy a carbon fibre engine cover because carbon fibre and it looks cool. And you can either buy one from Sabon, right? It's like £500. I'm buying an engine cover for £500, piss off. Or you can go cheap like I did, and it's like some random like manufacturer in the States. But the funny story about this one is, right, it came to the UK and then it went back to New York and now it's back in the UK again. So I think it's probably going to be damaged, and if it is, obviously I'm not going to recommend it. And if it's crap quality, obviously I'm not going to recommend it, but we'll have a look and see. I'm hoping it's good. Obviously I'm hoping it's good, but it was pretty cheap. It was like £100, which is, for carbon fibre, that's pretty dirt cheap, to be fair. Wake some people up. So it's pretty cheap. So we'll just have to see whether it is any good or not. Hopefully it is, but we'll see. Well, I actually think I think it's good, to be honest. It doesn't look damaged in terms of, I mean, it's clearly not damaged, like you can tell. It might be cracked, but I haven't had a proper look at it because you're not supposed to in shops, in post offices, for some weird reason. But let's have a look. Today's a bit of a weird video today, guys. Sorry, because I need to go on a hard drive with my car as well to cure the brakes. So here we go, all done, all good. I'm really happy with that. So yeah, there will obviously be a link to this down below in the description box. That is a really nice, yeah, it looks really well made actually, to be fair. Quite thick fiberglass on the back. because I mean that's clearly not carbon fibre, but a bit of fiberglass on the back with the carbon fibre sheet on the front. That's really quite well done. The weave is really nice. Doesn't look to be any issues, especially in the holes. Just as it comes down into the fiberglass part, but that's kind of what you want anyway, because you've got to have bolts down there to hold it on. It's a two-piece. Lay one bit down, the other bit goes over the top. That's really nice. I am really happy with this. That's cool. Bit of a shame, because when I bought this, obviously the sort of long-term plan was always to have a supercharger in the car, and I can't have this when I have a supercharger, but that's, you know, like a year or so down the line, and it was cheap enough. Like I said, about £100, like all in, £100 all in. I wouldn't tell you otherwise, because I think it'd be a bit too expensive. So, well, I've got to go drive for a little bit, cure my brakes off, basically drive hard, brake hard, which will be quite fun. Probably won't film that because we'll see the speeds we get to, and then we'll chuck this on, and then I'll show you the finished product. So I've never actually taken this off before. I think these are 12 mils. No, god damn, they're 10 mils. So it's two 10 mils down there, and then 10 mils up there, I would imagine. It's actually split anyway, so I was wrong. So don't actually need to take the bar off, which is good. The strut tower bar, I hate taking that strut brace off. So 4 10 mils, we'll get it off, we'll get the new one on and show you what it looks like. Right, so there you go. Although I was a bit of a dumbass, because there's actually one in the middle. Tried pulling it off without it. Okay, so how does it look? I like it. I like it a lot. Build quality, not the best. It's not terrible. If you're going to rate it in terms of its price versus build quality, I would say probably 7.5 out of 10. Why? I mean, it's just this. It's literally just this, actually. Like that's all it is. So probably even like an 8 or a 9 out of 10. I mean, it's really, really good quality. It's just this doesn't quite line up. So there's quite a big lip, because this doesn't line up. But you can actually, I could just shave that off with a Dremel, and that's probably what I'm going to do, just to make sure it sits flat. But all in all, not bad. I really quite like that. I mean, it's literally just molds of that and then chucked on there. I really, really like it. I think it's great. Solid stuff. Well, I'll have to look like, what's this? Is that the same there? Oh, it is the same. They've literally just done a mold for mold. That's cool. Interesting. What does that do then? Is that there? Yeah, okay. Alright, I was looking at that going, oh, maybe it's a bit off. I really rate that. I think it's good. So I'll leave a link down below. Nice little touch. Won't be able to stay there when we get the supercharger, but still, nice little carbon fibre piece. And it's pretty, I think it's pretty lined up. It looks, is it a little bit off? Maybe, maybe not. What do you think? Good? Bad? Let me know down below. Anyone looking at this strut brace going, ooh, that's gross. It's actually going to be powder coated soon. Just when I actually find a powder coater that's willing to do it. So anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for more car nonsense.